into the fire. No promise of love, no dream to inspire, no vow of respect, no shelter, no bread. Life gave me silence, I walked where it led. Oh, oh, oh. I fight each day for what's never assured. Their rules are cages I've never endured. I hear the earth, its law I obey. No judge, no paper can force me to stay. I follow nature, carved it into my bones. I bow to no crown, no paper, no thrones. I hold no soul, no puppet, no art. One rule alone, respect for my heart. I act so my mirror shows an honest face. My path is mine, no judge can take its place. Dreams walk beside me, shattered or complete. Some burn as fire, some wait at my feet. When breath runs thin and shadows grow near, I won't ask mercy, I won't bow to fear. One question only, when silence is done: did I live my purpose before the sun? I follow nature, carved it into my bones. I bow to no crown, no paper, no thrones. I hold no soul, no puppet, no art. One rule alone, respect for my heart. I won't reshape another for gain. I won't trade truth for comfort or fame. If I must fall, I'd fall in my flame. Whole with my honor, whole with my name. No law can write the ending I keep. No praise will warm the silence so deep. My dreams remain when the curtain will fall. One truth I ask, did I